How you doing, guys? So I have a box here, and in this box there is something special. There is a battery box for the 21700 elements. You cannot buy it anywhere. You can only order it in one place at the moment. And this battery box gives you the ability for your radio to work several months at a time without recharge. Let's open it. Well, I lied to you about several months, obviously, and I also lied to you about just this one place to purchase, because you can purchase something similar in China, but the problem is you're not in China, so virtually you cannot purchase it anywhere at the moment. Just order it from one place. So let's open this up and see what is inside. And that's it. We have nothing else in there. Let's continue to open this up. Oop. Sorry about that. Okay, so we need an antenna. $21,700. Yeah, guys, this kind of box is gonna work. I mean, if you're listening, maybe a couple of weeks. If you are transmitting, you can modify your radio to transmit 10 watts, maybe more, and you can transmit with stock power a lot longer. I guess a couple of days. I expected it to arrive disassembled and do another video with you of assembly, but this thing is fully assembled, so I guess I get the elements, the 21700 elements. I need two, and then we're gonna do some testing. But as far as assembly, there won't be no video about assembly. But let's open this thing up. It has 4 screws, so let's pop them open. Nope. How about this one? Yeah. So it's T6M. Got a T6. Let's open this up. Yeah, long screws, man. So inside, guys, check this out. You're gonna need a microscope. Let me get the microscope working and come back. So our microscope is working. Basically we have this board which has USB Type-C on the side of the case. So let's zoom into this board. I mean, not zoom in, just focus. So nice. And over here we have the contacts, and over on this side we have more contacts. And this board, I'm pretty sure it costs some money. It doesn't look like a cheap board. Anyway, microscope froze, but that's okay. So this thing comes assembled, even labeled plus and minus. It's handmade. It is printed on a 3D printer, and you can order it. And as soon as I'm finished assembling it back, I'm going to show you where to purchase it. So let me come back. Check this out. You'd think it's awkward to hold like this because it's a brick, right? But no, it's comfortable. It's pretty comfortable. It just lays in your hand nicely. No problem. Hold like this, or you can also hold like this. Like this if you use your middle finger to key, but not with this finger. Middle finger like this. But like this is real comfortable. I like it. So write down the information. Nickname on Telegram is Ignores. Kirill Cat. I'm going to include the actual contact information in the description to the video, so you can contact, exchange money, and he's gonna send you one of these boxes. Anyway, guys, here you have it. The first 21,700 bucks. Well, not the first. Chinese have one, but you cannot buy it. You have to go to China to buy it. This one you can actually order. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, press like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.